In front of me is LENOVO Yoga Tab 3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Security after scrolling down. It's located in Personal section. Now click on Screen Lock at the top and tap on the best login method for you: pattern, PIN or password. Then decide if you wish to enable or disable Secure Start app by tapping on one of those options and hit Continue at the bottom right corner. Finally, create your login method and hit Continue at the bottom right corner again. Then repeat it to confirm it and hit Confirm. Now answer this question by selecting one of the available options. When your device is locked, how do you want notifications to show? Show all notification content, hide sensitive notification content, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided when you finished, hit Done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!